Do you want to reset your TikTok FYP for you page algorithm? You can personalize your recommendations all over again by completely refreshing the content in your feed. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To reset the algorithm for your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. This will open the Settings Details page. Look for Content Preferences and tap on it. From the options, tap on Refresh Your For You feed. After reading the message, tap the red Start button at the bottom and confirm. The new algorithm changes will take place immediately, making your For You page feel completely brand new. You can interact with, like, and search for new topics to train your fresh feed to show exactly what you want to see.